Today I'll show you a step-by-step guide on how to use a Bambu Lab reusable spool and filament refills. First, open the filament refill. If you're using PLA, you can use a Bambu Lab basic reusable spool, which is the white spool. I recommend the high temperature reusable spool for all other filament types due to having to dry them. Next, grab your reusable spool and twist it counterclockwise. Find the notch on the spool and line it up with a notch on the filament refill. Put the other half of the spool back on and twist it clockwise to block it in. Remove the 3 of the 4 tabs that are holding the filament. Don't remove the last tab yet. Now find the end of the filament refill and put it in the closest filament hole. Now remove the last tab. It's that easy to use the filament refills. Thanks for watching.